What's up, everybody? Today in this video I made something really cool. It's actually insane, but it's just amazing. So yeah, we turn the camera. Sorry. I made an Xbox computer, guys. So So guys, we're gonna do face reveal for Eli. In 3, 2, 1. That's Eli, guys. That's Eli. So, how do you turn your flashlight on? I don't know how to use Samsung. Wait, turn your flashlight on. So guys, we got his phone here. Samsung's Galaxy J7 or whatever it is. Just turn your flashlight on. But we got this. So here we have the Xbox. Let's turn it on. So we got the first Xbox on. Got the keyboard and mouse. We got our monitor screen, which was an old TV that I had. I'm like, oh my god, I have an Xbox One and a keyboard and mouse and a TV that I could use for like a computer for Fortnite. I'm like, yeah, no, and it works. I hope. Let's do it. For mattress, we got the light blue. Oh, we got it on, guys. We got it on. Let's go. Oh my god. Hold up. I'm gonna change the screening on that. That's horrible. Picture mode. Okay. Come on. Oh wait, no. Not energy saving. Natural. I don't know how to use this remote. Why'd you do that? Put it right there. Not on the Xbox. Oh. Perfect, guys. We got a fully working monitor. Can I go first? Let's go. Space. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We got it working. Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Here we got Chihuahua playing. Oh, old Xbox. I'm just kidding. It's like that thing is amazing. It has a GT. I'm playing first, you know. But here. Buy Amazon Echo Dot. These things are crazy. Buy one. They help me so much falling asleep. Saying, Alexa, play rain sounds. And you have 1 hour of rain sounds. Can you hear that? It's insane, guys. Alexa, play Paragraph Radio. But it's insane. So do what we just did. This is insane. Type in your password. It works. Hook up a TV, keyboard and mouse and everything. So we will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.